Alright, well, ran out of fuel just as I was playing with this for the last minute here. The bubble came up through the fuel line on the back side here. So the ET8 ran kind of nice. The EM1 ran real nice after I moved the needle to get whatever was in it stuck in it out. The EM2 I guess we'll keep playing with. I don't know, I'm starting to get real frustrated with this, but it's all my fault on the EM2. I've had this apart so many times that whatever timing issues it has are entirely my fault. We will take another look at it. This is based on a design that doesn't have a governor on it, so I may just remove the governor weights and see if I can get it to run without the weights on it, so it is running ungoverned. And then if that works, then we can see about putting the governor back on it later. But we'll see. Yeah. We'll have to see. Well, we'll take a look at that again later. I'm going to head inside now. It's Christmas Day, so I should do some other stuff.